Today we'll talk about how can you add your birthday on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click here on account, down click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on personal list, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, you click here on date of birth, you just click on it here. So then here add your birthday here, then you click here on done, then it's going to add with you here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.